Hey, it's Jeff. I'm gonna play you a song that I wrote and performed for Paige on our wedding. And it's a song I hadn't thought about for a few years. And then a couple days ago, I was biking my kids into Boulder and the song just popped back into my head. I sang it the whole way into town and it gave me a lot of happiness. So I thought I'd play it for you now. I call it Rocky Mountain Love Song, for lack of a better title. I can see the sight of your reflection in a mountain stream, flowing deep within the Rockies and inside of me, wild and free, so naturally. I can hear the echo of your voice within a steep ravine, hidden deep within the Rockies and inside of me, wild and free, so naturally, exploring the world around me. This is where you found me, at the tail end of my 20s, hiking every trail alone. But now when I am hiking, you are everywhere I go, in every rock, in every lake, in every tree, and inside of me, so naturally. You are here, as surely as the blossom waiting for the bee. I am so low in the Rockies, but I guarantee you are here with me, like nature's tapestry. You're woven up in me, so naturally.